Derythm Pro is marketed as a wellness device designed to support relaxation, recovery, circulation, or general physical comfort. The advertising can make it look like a simple device that delivers impressive health benefits at home. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, home wellness devices can provide genuine benefits depending on what technology they use. The problem is when marketing turns a modest benefit into a much bigger medical claim. What it does well: easy to use. A home device can be convenient, compared with regularly visiting a professional. Designed for everyday use. It's marketed as something you can incorporate into a regular wellness routine. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a medical cure. A wellness device shouldn't be expected to treat or reverse an underlying medical condition. Results depend on the technology. The actual effectiveness depends heavily on what Derythm Pro is using and whether that technology has good clinical evidence behind it. Temporary relief isn't the same as treatment. Feeling better after using a device doesn't necessarily mean the underlying problem has been fixed. So, should you buy Derythm Pro? Short answer: maybe, if you're looking for a wellness device and understand its limitations. If you're interested in it for relaxation or temporary comfort, it may be worth considering. But don't purchase it expecting it to replace professional diagnosis or treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.